Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today we're talking about a skill that can seriously boost your productivity, mastering Excel essentials. Let's face it, spreadsheets can be intimidating. Rows, columns, formulas, it can feel like a whole other language. But what if I told you there's a way to transform from spreadsheet novice to confident data wrangler in just 16 minutes? Raise your hand if spreadsheets make you sweat. You're not alone. Millions of people feel lost in the world of Excel, but here's the thing. Mastering even the basics can unlock a superpower. You'll be able to tackle everyday tasks with confidence, build impressive reports and dashboards, make data-driven decisions. There's a fantastic course I recently discovered on Udemy called Mastering Excel Essentials in 60 Minutes. This course is designed for anyone who wants to conquer spreadsheets fast. Whether you're a complete beginner or just want to brush up on your skills, this course is perfect for you. In this action-packed hour, you'll learn interface secrets, formatting finesse, formula fun, data detective skills, charting champions, automation. Imagine the feeling of conquering those spreadsheets with ease. No more frustration, just confidence and accomplishment. This course is your ticket to Excel mastery. Invest in yourself and your skill set. Check out the course description in the link below to learn more.